I never give you my number. I only give you my situation. And in the middle of investigations, I break down.
Out of college, money spent, see no future, pay no rent. All the money's gone, nowhere to go. Every jobber's got the sack. Monday morning, turning back. Yellow lorry slow, nowhere to go.
Oh, that magic feeling, nowhere to go. Oh, that magic feeling, nowhere to go, nowhere to go.
Step on the gas and wipe that tear away. One sweet dream came true today. Came true today. Came true today. Yes, it did. All the children up to heaven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the children up to heaven. Questo obbligato, tanto mucho che need carousel.
Mean is most of cheats in the park, shaves in the dark, tried to save paper. Sleeps in a hole in the road, saving up to buy some clothes. Keeps a 10-bob note up his nose. Such a mean old man. Such such a mean old man. His sister Pam works in a shop. She never stops, she's a go-getter. Takes him out to look at the Queen, only place that he's ever been. Always shouts out something obscene. Such a dirty old man. Dirty old man.
Well, you should see Polythene Pam. She's so good looking, but she looks like a man. Well, you should see her in drag just in her polythene bag. Yes, you should see Polythene Pam. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Phone till Monday, Tuesdays on the phone to me.
So I quit the police department, got myself a station. Thought I tried her best to help me.
She could steal, but she could not bribe.
Didn't anybody tell her? Didn't anybody see? Sundays on the phone till Monday, Tuesdays on the phone to me. Oh yeah.
Once there was a way to get back home. Once there was a way to get back home. Sleep, pretty darling, do not cry, and I will sing a lullaby. Sing a lullaby.
Boy, you're gonna carry that weight a long time. Boy, you're gonna carry that weight a long give you my pillow. I only send you my invitations, and in the middle of the celebration, I break down.
Her Majesty's a pretty nice girl, but she doesn't have a lot to say. Her Majesty's a pretty nice girl, but she changes from day to day. I wanna tell her that I love her a lot, but I gotta get a belly full of wine. Her Majesty's a pretty nice girl, someday I'm gonna make her mine. Oh yeah, someday I'm gonna make her mine.